Kemah Boardwalk. It's located in Kemah, Texas, which is near Clear Lake, and it's on the Bay of Galveston. It has grown over the years. It used to be just a place where you would go and dine and maybe fish off the deck. But now they have amusement rides that the kids enjoy, that adults can enjoy. You can watch sailboats while you dine on the decks, ride the amusement rides. They have festivals, and music was live in the center area. Expect to have big fun, thrills, and create memories.
As we start our walk around the Kemah Boardwalk, we're on the front section where the Iron Eagle zip line ride is. There's also many small shops and games that you can play, as well as a couple of photo ops.
As we go along on this video, we go into the center area where it's an open area. They have fountains usually that go off so the kids can play in the water. There actually is a hotel located right there, along with shops right in front of there, and some little snacky restaurants where you can get like pretzels and ice cream and candy and stuff like that. And then that's also where the live band music is, and people sit around, they just listen in their lawn chairs. There is a aquarium where you can eat and then also go and see different variety of fish and different sea animals.
In this next section of the video, we're walking along the back side of the boardwalk next to the canal, where you can see all types of boats, sailboats, speedboats, fishing boats coming in and out of the canal. The canal connects the Bay of Galveston with Clear Lake, which is a lake that surrounds and comes up next to NASA. This is also a great place to stand and watch fireworks when they have them on the weekends. And of course, my favorite part of Kemah is the amusement rides. They have quite a few smaller rides that are good for adults and kids. They've got a Space Needle that you can go up and get an overall view of the entire area, which is pretty nice. They've got a rocket ride. They've got a swing. They've got a swinging ship. And then they've got the Circle of Death. And then, of course, the finale is the big wooden roller coaster called the Bullet.
Kemah is a place where families or couples enjoying sitting outside or sitting inside and watching the boats go by, eating at different restaurants such as the Aquarium, Bubba Gump's, Landry's, and many other small restaurants and bars that are located around the area. So we definitely suggest you taking a trip down to Kemah, enjoying the day, or even the evening time during the concerts and the fireworks, watching the ships go by, enjoying the festivities, and have a great time.
We haven't even mentioned the fact that there's docks down there that you can go and fish off of. There's also, besides the boardwalk, there's a little town right next to it that has all kinds of restaurants and shops that you can go explore, and it's just a few minutes away from NASA, so you can make it a combination trip. It's a great place to take people that are visiting you from out of town. It's just a really fun place. So if you would like more videos like this, please like and subscribe and let us know in the comments what you think.